Hello everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I want to share the tutorials how to do a voiceover on TikTok. First thing we're gonna do is open the TikTok application, and then after that, after we generate it into the first page, we need to have a video that we want to share and to do takeover to by clicking the plus button here. And then if you already have the video, just go into the upload sections and choose which video that you want to add into your project. Okay, so I already found it. Make sure you click the circles button and then click next. And now you already have an access into the editing sections. And if you can see on the right side here, there is a lot of features that we can choose. Since we want to do a voiceover, we need to go into this buttons or rows and then go into the voice. And after that, on the bottom side, we can see a record here. It means that this feature is used to record our voice. Now it's the time we do a voiceover by click the record and then click the right side and start to talk what you want to talk in this video. One fine day on my hometown. And after you finish to record your voice, go into done and let's have a check. One fine day on my hometown. Okay, after you find it's already good on your video, just click save. And now one fine day, click next, add more captions on your video. And after you finish to have any captions here, now just click a post if you want to post it right away, or if you want to editing later, you can go into the draft. It means that your video is saved on your draft. So that's all for today's tutorial. Don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel.